Imagine your brain as a bustling city full of neurons shining away, glial cells keeping everything in check, and blood vessels delivering essential supplies. Sometimes, though, this lively metropolis faces a series of challenges that can lead to cognitive dysfunction, things like memory loss, personality changes, and difficulty thinking clearly. It's like the city hitting a few potholes along the way. One of the troublemakers is amyloid beta, a protein that, when it starts to misbehave, forms pesky plaques that clog up the neural streets. Alongside these, neurofibrillary tangles made of hyperphosphorylated tau proteins twist and turn inside neurons, causing trouble from within. These protein aggregations are like trash piling up in the city, bad news for neural function. Adding to the chaos, oxidative stress and neural inflammation start the scene. Microglia, the brain's resident immune cells, think of them as vigilant patrol officers spring into action. Sometimes they switch to a phagocytic phenotype, gobbling up debris and damaged cells, but if they get overexcited, they release inflammatory cytokines like tumor necrosis factor alpha, interleukins, and chemokines, which can cause collateral damage. It's a delicate balance, too much inflammation, and the city's infrastructure suffers. Microglia don't work alone. They're influenced by single nucleotide polymorphism and surface markers like myeloid cell surface antigen, which affect how they react. They're connected to other myeloid cells and are integral to maintain the health of the central nervous system. They help with synaptic pruning, like clearing old or unnecessary connections, and support neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, through neurotrophic growth factors such as BDNF nerve growth factor and glial cell-derived neurotrophic factor. But sometimes these processes go awry. Mitochondrial dysfunction hampers energy production, and imbalances in homeostasis, like excess iron or copper, further damage cells through oxidative mechanisms. The blood-brain barrier, our brain security checkpoint, can become compromised, allowing pathogens or harmful substances in which adds to brain damage. The neurovascular unit comprising brain endothelial cells, extracellular matrix, and basal lamina, works tirelessly to sustain neuron activity, synaptic plasticity, and memory processing. When this unit falters, it impacts neurovascular health, leading to issues like decreased angiogenesis or impaired myelination. Scientists are exploring ways to restore balance using drugs like PPAR agonists, such as p-o-glitazone or rosiglitazone, statins, folic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, and even lifestyle interventions like cognitive training, physical exercise, and proper nutrition. These strategies aim to promote neuroprotection, reduce inflammation, and support neurotrophic levels. Additionally, the immune system and neurotrophins are intertwined in this dance. Antibodies can target pathological proteins and growth factors of neurosupply and drive neuroinflammation is all bad, but with the right moderation, it can support brain resilience. So while the brain faces share villains, protein aggregates, inflammation, oxidative stress, there's a whole army of cells and molecules working together tirelessly to keep our cognitive city functioning smoothly. With ongoing research and healthy habits, we can help ensure our brain's metropolis remains vibrant, resilient, and full of life.